to start an LLC in California, you can do it on your own. I'll walk you through the steps to do that in this video. Or if you find it overwhelming to do it on your own and want to save time, you can hire a formation service to get your LLC set up in just a couple of minutes, which I'll also show you later on in this video. Step 1, choose a name for your LLC. When choosing your LLC name, keep in mind the following rules. Your LLC name must end with either LLC, L.L.C. or limited liability company written out. Avoid names that might suggest your business is affiliated with a government agency, bank, insurance company, or any other type of business that it's not. These types of names can lead to confusion and will be rejected during the registration process. Also, steer clear of words like corp, inc., nonprofit, or trust because your business isn't any of these. It's a limited liability company. Most importantly, your name must be unique. To make sure that no one else is using that name in California, check LLC name availability by going to this page on the California Secretary of State's website. Here, you want to make sure that the name isn't being used by another business in California. For example, you'll probably have difficulties naming your business Microsoft. Step 2, select a registered agent. This is a person or business that will receive important legal documents on behalf of your LLC, such as notices from the state or legal actions. Keep in mind that this address will be publicly available, so I wouldn't recommend using your home address as your registered agent's address. Your registered agent must keep normal business hours Monday to Friday, and you can't use a P.O. box. If you want privacy, many business owners decide to hire a registered agent service. On this channel, we've reviewed a bunch of registered agents, and our favorite is Northwest Registered Agent. Northwest charges $125 per year to be your registered agent. This is in line with many other services that charge around $120 to $200 per year. By using our link in the description, you can create your LLC with Northwest for $39 plus the state fees. Then you'll get their registered agent service for free for the first year. Step 3, submit articles of organization. Next, you'll submit your articles of organization to the California Secretary of State. This document includes all important information about your LLC, addresses, member names, registered agent, etc. You submit this to the California Secretary of State along with the $70 formation fee. You can submit this form online through the California Secretary of State's website. You'll find a link to it down below, which also includes instructions on how to fill it out. You can also download the form, fill it in, and then mail it in as well. If you decide to submit it in person, you'll have to pay a $15 handling fee. Step 4, obtain your employer identification number, EIN. This can also be referred to as a federal tax ID. Think of it as a social security number for your business. If you're the only owner of the LLC and won't have any employees, you could just use your social security number instead of an EIN, but otherwise you'll need one for banking, taxes, and hiring purposes. The application process is quick, taking just a couple of minutes online through the IRS's website. We have a video that'll walk you through step-by-step how to do just that. Step 5, create an operating agreement. This is a document that will state how your LLC will operate. It's not mandatory in California, but I recommend creating one even if you're the only member of your LLC. Banks may also ask for a copy of your operating agreement when you go to open a business bank account. If you have a really complicated situation with many business partners or investors, you may want to work with a lawyer to draft the operating agreement, but in many cases, especially if it's just you, you can use one of Northwest Registered Agent's free operating agreement templates from this page linked down below. Step 6, open a business bank account. To keep your personal assets separate from your business assets, you'll want to open a business bank account. It will help you maintain the limited liability protection of your LLC, meaning that if your LLC is sued, only your business assets are at risk, not your personal assets. We have a video that you'll find down below that'll walk you through step-by-step how to open a business bank account. Step 7, file a beneficial ownership information report with the Treasury Department's FinCEN, Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. This is something new in 2024. This report discloses information of the primary owners of your LLC. In 2024, you'll have 90 days after forming your LLC to submit this report. In 2025 and beyond, it must be submitted within 30 days of creating your LLC. Step 8, to keep your California LLC open and in good standing, you'll need to meet both filing and tax obligations within 90 days of forming your LLC, and then every 2 years, you must file a statement of information with the California Secretary of State. The filing fee costs $20 and requires basic details about your business. Additionally, every California LLC is required to pay an annual franchise tax of $800, and the first $800 payment is due the 15th day of the 4th month after your LLC is approved. If that wasn't enough, if you estimate your LLC will have annual revenue of over $250,000, you'll have to fill out Form 3536, Estimated Fee for LLCs, and pay an additional $900 or more per year depending on your revenue. For example, a business with revenue over $5 million will pay an additional $11,790. If you're watching this video, I'm guessing this is the first time you're creating a business, and all these steps could sound overwhelming. The Secretary of State's website might not be the most user-friendly, and you could have questions along the way. Instead of going it alone, as I just described, or paying a lawyer potentially thousands of dollars, I recommend you work with a formation service to help you get your LLC set up correctly, and it'll only take a handful of minutes. On this channel, we've done a bunch of reviews of different formation services, and our favorite is Northwest Registered Agent. You can get their help forming your LLC for $39 on top of the fee you pay to the state. With Northwest, you'll also get their Registered Agent service for free for the first year, as well as an operating agreement template, something other formation services charge around $90 or $100 for. Now I want to quickly show you how in just a matter of minutes you can create your LLC with Northwest. If you use our affiliate link in the description, you'll come to a page that looks like this. If you form your LLC using the link in the description, we could earn a commission at no cost to you. If you like our content, this is a great way to support our channel. Click Get Started, choose the type of business you'd like to start. We're forming an LLC, which has already been selected. Choose the state where you'd like to form your LLC. I'll select California. In the state of California, standard LLC processing is 10 days for $90. This is the state fee of $70 plus $20 because Northwest will also file your first statement of information, so you don't have to deal with that on your own within the first 90 days of forming your LLC. If you'd like it processed faster, you can update that here. Then down below, you can select if you want Northwest to file your beneficial ownership information report for an additional $25. Click Continue. Enter the name of your LLC. If you have an attorney and you'd like them to receive a copy of lawsuits and other legal notices, select Yes and enter their email. Otherwise, leave it as no. Write your business purpose. What will your business do? I'll write business consulting services. Select which physical address and mailing address you'd like to record with the state. I'll use our registered agent's address for both. Click Continue. How will your LLC be managed? Will it be member managed or manager managed? Will the members or owners manage the business, or will you elect a manager to run the business for you? If at any point you have questions, you can click on the question icon to learn more. Also, if you need additional help, you'll see their phone number listed here. They have live chat that you'll find in the bottom corner, or fill out the form on their contact page. Enter the names of the LLC members. I'll enter my name and use the registered agent's address as the address to record with the state. If it's more than just you, click Add Member and add the names of any other LLC members. Then click Continue. Enter your contact information on the screen: name, phone number, and mailing address. Then enter your email and create a password to create your Northwest account. You'll use this to log in to Northwest's dashboard. Here you can get a 90-day trial for their business identity package. This is a good point to mention. We have a training that'll walk you through everything you need to start your business, like a domain, logo, website, business email, business bank account, and more. If you'd like to access this free training, sign up using the link in the description below. I'll turn off the free trial. I also won't purchase any of these while creating my LLC. One of the things I really like about Northwest is that you can add anything you'd like individually. You aren't forced into purchasing an expensive package that includes a lot of things you don't need or want just to get the one thing you do want. Here you can add individually a tax ID, S-Corp election with the IRS, mailing services, or trademark service. A few things I would consider: the tax ID. Northwest will get your EIN for you for $50 if you have a Social Security number. You can also get it on your own from the IRS for free. Our video that you'll find down below will walk you through step-by-step how to do that. But if you don't want to deal with the hassle and you're fine paying an extra $50, you can add it here. S-Corp election. If you're just starting a business, you probably don't need this now, But one of the advantages of having an LLC is that you can later decide to have your LLC taxed as an S Corp. This can help you save money on taxes, but normally it doesn't make sense until after your business is earning somewhere in the range of $50,000 to $100,000. You'll find a video about S Corps in the description. The other thing that you may want is a virtual office or mail forwarding. The main difference between the two is that virtual office also includes a phone number and costs $29 per month, and the mail forwarding is $20 per month. I'll add mail forwarding and have my mail scanned and sent to me digitally. Then the last step is to enter your payment information and click Done. In just a handful of days, with the help of Northwest, you'll have your new LLC. After your LLC has been created, the next thing you'll want is a business bank account. Learn how to open that in this video up above, or in the video below. Learn the dozen things you'll need when starting a new business. And I hope to see you in another video. Bye-bye.